the national anthem of Samoa. For a couple of seconds while the choirs will have to move. Please, thank you very much. Well, I want you to remember that to know the two teams will be on their sides inside the field. And I will please the 30 years celebration, your support is to give a clap for 30 seconds while they're on their way to start again. Please, come on a big hand for 30 seconds.